In this video, you'll learn how to update or change your Slack profile photo. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully personalized your profile with a new image. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Slack application. You can do this by entering the appropriate URL for your workspace. If you are not already signed in, you will be prompted to enter your credentials. Complete this step to access your Slack workspace. Once you are in the Slack application, locate the sidebar on the left side of your screen. Here you will see a list of channels. To proceed, click on your profile picture or initials, which is typically found in the top right corner of the interface. This action will open a drop-down menu. After the drop-down menu appears, select the option labeled Profile. This will take you to a screen displaying your current profile information. Look for the button that says Edit and click on it. This will allow you to make changes to your profile settings. Once you are in the edit mode, find the section for your profile photo. Click on the area that indicates profile photo. This will prompt a file selection dialog box to appear, allowing you to choose a new image from your device. Ensure that the image you select meets Slack's file size and format requirements to avoid upload issues. After selecting the desired photo, click on the Upload Photo button. The system will process your image and you may see a loading indicator while the upload completes. It is important to note that larger files may take longer to upload based on your internet speed. Ensure you have a stable connection during this. Once the upload is successful, you will be presented with a preview of your new profile photo if you are satisfied with how it looks. Proceed by clicking the Save Changes button. A confirmation message will indicate that your profile has been updated successfully. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection and verify the file size of the image you uploaded. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.